Here is a YouTube video covering the biggest medical news for Thursday, March 19, 2026. The big story: Ozempic and Wegovy go generic. The news today marks a massive shift in global health economics. Novo Nordisk's patent protection for semaglutide, the active ingredient in Ozempic and Wegovy, expires this weekend in several major countries. Why it matters: generic versions are expected to launch in India as early as this weekend, with China, Canada, and Brazil following shortly. Impact: this move is set to make these blockbuster weight loss and diabetes drugs affordable for up to 40% of the world's population, moving them from luxury status to mainstream accessibility. Breakthrough alert: rocket engines inside malaria. The discovery: in a fascinating study published today in Science Daily, researchers at the University of Utah have discovered tiny rocket engines inside malaria parasites. The science: these are actually chemical propulsion systems involving hemazoan crystals that help the parasite move. The takeaway: this discovery opens up a completely new target for anti-malarial drugs that could disable the engine of the parasite before it can spread. FDA watch: new approvals and warnings. Psoriasis breakthrough: the FDA officially approved Icotide, Icotrokinra, yesterday, the first ever targeted oral peptide for moderate to severe plaque psoriasis. This gives patients a pill-based alternative to long-term injectable biologics. Heart health: the JenaValve Trilogy system received FDA approval for treating severe aortic regurgitation, offering a new lifeline for patients who previously had limited surgical options. Regulatory heat: the FDA has issued a stern warning to Novo Nordisk for failing to report serious adverse events, including 3 patient deaths, within the required legal timeframe. Global health: a slowing pulse for child safety. Data: a major new World Health Organization (WHO) report released today reveals that while child mortality has halved since 2000, progress has slowed by 60% since 2015. The target: for the first time, the report specifically identifies severe acute malnutrition, SAM, as a direct killer of over 100,000 children annually. Pesticide warning: a new study from Arizona found that pesticide exposure before pregnancy significantly increases the risk of low APGAR scores, vital health markers, in newborns. Future tech: Roche's AI factory. A partnership: pharma giant Roche has just launched a massive AI factory powered by NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs. The goal: with over 3,500 GPUs, Roche is aiming to cut the time it takes to develop new cancer and neurodegeneration drugs by simulating clinical trials and molecular interactions at light speed. Final wrap: quick hits. Sepsis care: experts at the SRM Sepsicon 2026 conference are today unveiling new national protocols for rapid sepsis identification. Atrial fibrillation: research in the New England Journal of Medicine suggests catheter-based closure of the left atrial appendage is now showing results comparable to traditional blood thinners for stroke prevention. Oral health and cardiovascular events in kids. Children with worse oral health were more likely to experience heart attack, stroke, or coronary artery disease as adults, according to a new study based on data from multiple national health databases in Denmark, Medscape. Diabetes distress. There is also a condition called diabetes distress. It causes you to develop hopeless feelings of despair surrounding your diabetes. You might feel that your efforts to manage your diabetes are not working. You could also think that you have created some other condition related to your diabetes. Often, people feel like their diabetes is controlling them, not the other way around. This can cause you to revert to unhealthy habits. You might stop checking your blood sugar and insulin. You might even avoid doctor's appointments. Diabetes distress can look like regular depression or anxiety. However, it is specific to people with diabetes. Their mental health issues stem from having diabetes. This is a severe condition. Treating it is a part of treating your diabetes. WebMD. What is the most exciting news mentioned today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for your daily medical updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a breaking story. Stay healthy, and I will see you tomorrow. Disclaimer: the information must be verified before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be liable for any negative consequences.